Hi, good afternoon. I'm Srinath.
I'm Akshi.
So we wanted to talk about our journey with Wea Designs. This journey started way back, I think, 2 years back, and we first reached out to Anup and the Hub. They gave us a design, draw design, and then we looked into it. Then we spent a lot of time evaluating other big designer names which are there in the market. But after a year, we again went back to Wea Design. Primarily, the reason was they were very accommodating, they were very helpful, and they also took our inputs. Most importantly, they fit our budget.
Yeah, it was an excellent experience for all of us. The thing that stands out about VR definitely is for the part that they are very accommodating and extremely friendly. And whatever requirements you tell them, they'll find a way to fit it into your plan and within your budget as well.
So primarily, we wanted to go with the industrial theme. We wanted minimum clutter, no gaudy designs, and a bit of gray, shade of gray everywhere in all our places. And most of the creative front, I left it to my wife because she is better at it.
Yeah, so I think I gave in lot of reference images to Anup, and Anup, I don't know, somehow managed to get all of them fit into whatever final design that we are seeing now. So that was just amazing, and even for all the color schemes as well as the materials, I think whatever we required, we've managed to get all of it, whatever we could fit in. Because I remember some of our discussions with Anup, it would just stretch for like 3-4 hours at a go, and we would still be discussing, okay, this might look nice here, and we'll add in some small touch here and there.
TV unit has only 2 shelves, and we wanted to be less bulky, and what we wanted to do was the idea of less is more. And secondly, we wanted to demarcate the living space and the foyer, so that is why you see different color patterns. We also were interested in the texture paint, which Anup told us would look good for this house. Overall, the theme is of gray, less, and simple but effective design.
For the kitchen, I think we were more or less very fixated on having an open kitchen, and that's what our entire layout has been about. And the builder, I think, originally suggested for an L-shaped kitchen, but I think we were more keen on having more storage space, and that's why we went with the tall units and a rolling shutter cabinet along with that. And I think our requirement of having a breakfast counter plus sort of an extra space, counter space, was fulfilled by this beautiful island that we have. And it also had all the electrical points and the other facilities, so that if we want to use it for any other purpose also, that serves it. Another, I think, key item that we were very much keen on was a open sort of a puja unit. And that puja unit, as in, since we had a lot of images and a lot of frames to be taken care of, we had a particular design in mind, and I think Anup gave in some beautiful suggestions for that as well. So we came up with a MDF cutwork panel and light from behind on that. And that looked, and I think that's been one of the star elements of our house so far, because everyone and whoever sees it, they are very appreciative of it. That It was an excellent experience for us, and we have got absolutely stunning comments for all our house interior so far, even from all our neighbors as well as from our maid. So yeah, it's been a great experience.